Hi, thank you for joining me today. I'm Doug Gardner, and I'm here with a quick tip that'll save you some time and aggravation. How many times do I go and teach a workshop and I watch the participants getting out of the vehicle, trying to get the camera set up, getting the tripods pulled out, and by the time everything is set up, the subject's gone. So what I tend to see a lot is people will undo each little section and get it just right, and then tighten that down, and then start at this section and get this one just right, tighten it down, and move to the next one. That is a lot of time that you don't need to be spending, especially with wildlife. Wildlife, a lot of times the opportunities are very quick, and if you don't get it, you're done. So my tip for you is, with most of these tripods, the two locking rings are very close together, and I have big hands, but even with smaller hands, this works fine. Most of them, you can grab both of the locking knobs with one hand. Boom, you turn it, it's loose, you pull it out, lock, lock. You're done. On to the next one. You pull it, pull them out, lock, lock. It doesn't matter if this leg goes out less than this. The only thing that matters is the total length that you want it out. So if you already have an idea how high you want it to be. If I just want it to be, 3 feet off the ground, I'm just going to unlock, pull it out, and stop. Like I said, it doesn't matter that this one is shorter than this one. Only thing that matters is the total length. Then with one twist of the knob, I'm locked. Go to the next one. Now, when you're packing up, it's time to move to the next place. All you got to do is unlock, and slide them all in. One turn is done. That'll save you some time and hopefully save you that picture that you missed. If you're liking these videos, be sure to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button for the channel. That way we can get out and produce more videos that you're asking for. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.